I start off with brainstorming ideas in sketching or doodling in my sketchbook. And most probably using the same line art. Scan this and then import the image to my iPad, and I'm going to adjust everything, maybe shift things up, change things up. I make sure to change the blend mode of the scan to multiply so that I can color below the layer of the line art and it will still show up irrespective of the white background on the scan. Using the round brush, I added this soft ombre. I really loved how this turned out and kind of giving this glass vibe. Not very realistic, but just like an illustration glass vibe. So adding this blue and reducing the opacity. Since I want all of this to look a little cohesive, I'm kind of picking up the same color. I usually struggle to choose colors when there are a lot of illustrations on the same page or spread, if you know what I mean. I would rather do a complete illustration colored if it's on its own, and maybe just black and white sketches of multiple things or making spreads, because it sometimes becomes difficult for me to choose colors that work together for so many illustrations. Individually, I love how each of these were turning out, but not necessarily how all of them look together. So maybe the colors are not going that well, but probably the stickers would be used as individual stickers, so that really doesn't matter. I'm again trying to give the transparent glass vibe to this as well. Really enjoyed adding shading and coloring this tulip. Then I added shadows to each of the illustrations. Now if I switch off the background layer, you can see that since this was a scan and I moved things around, this is how it looks, which cannot work for stickers. I add a new layer below the line art layer, fill it with white, and then merge both of these. Now I'm going to copy this because I want to extract the line art, and on a new layer, add a mask
and on the mask layer I'm going to paste what I copied right now, like this. After that, on the layer which is attached to the mask layer, I fill it with black and invert the mask layer this way. When I merge both of these layers, you can see I get only the line art. I'll switch off this layer and now you can see I've been able to get rid of all the white background parts, and now I can go ahead and create this sticker like outline. There are two ways. You can either do it like this by hand, which I really enjoy personally. I'll show you the other way also, using Gaussian blur. So just doing an outline that's going outside of the illustration and filling it. Now I duplicate the dream, fill all the other part because it was scribbled, used Gaussian blur and selected it using automatic and drag based on the threshold. On a new layer, dropped white color, and this is how you can get the outline. Now we are ready to export it. Make sure to switch off the background color layer, export as PNG. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you in next one.